Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to begin with the third unit of e-marketing. So in this first unit, today we will be studying regarding product, the online offer. Okay. So before going to this, I just would like to tell you the Google story. So Google started in 1998. Okay. So you can find Google is the more simplest way of search engine, which has huge products with it. Okay, you cannot imagine what type of products it's having. You are using very some products of Google. Okay, if still you are unaware about the huge products which Google is having. So it was founded by Cobranding and Page delivered an innovative new search strategy that ranked result on popularity as well as keywords. Earlier, Google started with search engine. Before that, Yahoo was very famous. But today, Yahoo is nowhere there. But Google still is going through. It's achieving very high performance. So there are billions search. I cannot imagine in 181 countries just in a single day, where 146 languages and is most visited US website. Okay, still India also. I think Google is also the most visited website. We go through Google only. We don't go through direct to any website. The revenue is a huge. Okay, they are growing in sales continuously. They are offering new products. They give a very rare services like searching, which is with the keyword search, and also with the popular most searches will appear at the top side. This to uses a media e-business model to generate revenue. 96% of its revenue is from advertising. You know how Google does advertising that we already discussed, the banner advertising, okay, the video advertising, the pay-per-click advertising. So there are huge advertising which is followed by Google. So Google's product mix include 24 search products, 3 advertising products, 20 applications, and many enterprise products. It's not 20, it's more now. Okay, it's an older data. Pays close attention to users' value, keep costs low, and delivers eyeball to advertisers. So once, if you are going through pay per click, they will charge you 0.22 paisa per click. And same if you are going through YouTube advertisement, if you are putting your short advertisement in YouTube also, depends on how many viewers, those money will get the money also. Those money will have to pay the money to the Google, that is YouTube also. So what types of products do you think Google will launch next? So you have seen there are huge products which are launched by Google itself. So the Pixel is one. There are huge products we can see. If you just click the right side of the products, the six boxes, three, nine boxes are there. If you click there, you can find a huge product category Google is having. Okay. So many products capitalize on internet properties. Yes. A product, you all know what exactly it is. It is comparing to brick and mortar, it is different. In coming to the online, it is totally different. A product is a bundle of benefits that satisfies need of organization or consumers. Okay, it might be a goods, services, ideas, people, and places. So these are the different things which is included in the product. Even ideas are sold. Okay, people give services. Okay, goods are there, and even places are also included. If you are selling a service, for example, uh, nowadays hotel booking made very easy. That is also in services. Okay, you can visit the places. You can ask suggestion from the doctors sitting online. You just need to video call them. You should get an appointment. They will call you video. You have to tell the symptoms and all, and they will prescribe you some prescription where which medicine you can take. Products such as search engines are unique to the internet, while others simply use the internet as a new distribution channels. Okay, so most important part on the product is the search engines. Okay, you all know how you search on Google. Then it's all about the distribution channel also goes through internet process. Organizations use research to determine what is important to customers when creating new products. So obviously, when you are making any product, you have to think from the point of view of customer. So the marketing mix, 4Ps and CRM work together to produce relational and transactional outcomes with consumers. Okay, we all know what is 4Ps: price, place, promotion, and product. Okay, and with this, the customer relationship management plays an important role. So marketing mix and CRM strategies tactics. If you are offering a product, okay, that is an offer. So how you offer, you go through distribution channel. Okay, distribution channel has two aspects again. Integrated marketing communication. You're using different types of advertising platforms, and you are charging some price that is nothing but the value which you're offering for the exchange. So that you have to keep, and through CRM, the customer CRM, relational outcomes will increase and transactional outcomes also increase. If you're having a CRM, the consumer will stay with you and will be good in touch with you. So that will result to the transactional outcomes. They will not move to other process, other products or other organization. They will be with you only, and they will be purchasing with you. That is the biggest advantage is paid by the CRM because it gives the transactional outcomes. Now, what are the 5 general product decisions that need to be made? This is a question which arises. Okay, so first comes creating the customer value. Okay, so what is customer value? We call the customer value is equal to benefits minus cost. How many benefits the customer are getting and how much I am paying for it. So that is called customer value. So competition for online customer attention and the dollar being fierce. To succeed, many companies must employ strategies. Okay, so grounded in solid marketing principles, they have to come through. So that will result in customer value. Okay, but what exactly is value? So if you took the benefits which we talk when you are purchasing any product, that is acted as a value. So it is the entire product experience what you are getting from paying, that is called customer value. What you are getting from the thing. Now, product decisions must be made that deliver benefits to customers. Okay, so there are huge product benefits which are given by the different service providers or goods providers. So in that, again, if you see the first one, that is called attributes. So product attributes, we have already discussed this thing in integrated marketing communication, so which include overall quality and specific features of the product. Okay, and it also include the quality. So most of you say, okay, what you get and what you pay for. If you get more, you can get more. If you pay more also. And next aspect comes is the brand. Okay, so before going to the branding, if I say the attributes, if you just check with the Facebook, what attribute Facebook gives. Okay, so even Facebook has hosts a lot of page profiles. Okay, that help users connect with old and new friends quickly online benefit. Okay, so product benefits are key component in the value propositions. Whenever we are proposing any value, so attributes matters a lot when you are creating a customer value. If if you just go to Facebook, you can post your pictures, you can market yourself, you can go for social media, you can do some surveys, you can connect with a huge number of people. Okay, so you can wish people. So these are attributes which are provided by Facebook. Okay. Next comes the branding process. So branding, you all know, okay, it's all about the name, a symbol, or other identifying information that is called branding. If I talk about McDonald's, what comes to your mind? If I talk about Pizza Hut, what comes to your mind? If I talk about Domino's, KFC, okay. If I talk about Flipkart, if I talk about Amazon, if I talk about Reebok, if I talk about MI, whatever the logo symbols coming to your mind, so those are all called the branding aspects. Okay. So what brand does. Okay, it's much more than its graphic and verbal representation. You identify brand with the graphical and verbal representation, but in marketing materials, okay, however, many marketers have noted that brand is also the following things. Okay, first, what it does, if you are going for any hotel, if you find a Kamath hotel, so that is a brand, if I say. So the promise to the customer, you will get a quality food over there. Okay, if you're Amazon is a brand, so why you trust? Because you are getting quality product over it. So that is the reason what brand delivers. So beliefs in the market's mind about what the brand delivers. Okay. So innovation to the product that continues to improve the brand promises does. It generates the trust in the customer. Okay, while delivering the products, and the sum of all customer touch point experience by just looking or touching it, you can examine. Yeah, this is the brand. Okay, and it is the relationship between the buyer and brand. That's what the role plays by the branding. Now coming to the support services. Okay, so before going to support services, the question arises always. I ask you, what is brand equity? So brand equity is an intangible value of a brand, okay, which is measured in terms of money, basically dollars, okay, because worldwide. If we talk about brand value, highest brand value, if you see, so Coca-Cola, Microsoft, IBM, Google, GE, that is nothing but General Electric, McDonald is there, Intel is there, Apple is there, Disney is there, HP is there. Okay, when it comes to online, there is an Amazon is there, eBay is there, Dell is there. So these are all brands which are having highest brand equity. Okay, because they have very huge value in the market. Okay, so how this comes? It comes through the consumer, the brand, the popular culture. All this thing will increase the brand value of the customer. Next comes the support services. Okay, so support services all talks about how the company or organization is helping the consumers who are purchasing products from them. Okay, so here obviously service is most important part of any organization post purchases, how they are getting. So it's all about during the purchase also and after purchase also. You can inquire about the products through online, okay, through the Dropbox. The box pop-up comes up. You can inquire. I am going to know the online services, or you can say any course you would like to apply. You can just mail them. They will send you the details. That is simple during the. And if any problems happen, you can call them. They will help you. And after purchase also, that is important because you have to avail services from it. So that also matters. Okay. So that the role, biggest role is played by the customer support service. It's a critical component of the customer value. Just purchasing, if brand is good, okay, if there are no support from the side, then obviously the value of customer value start decreasing. Next comes the labeling. So what product labels does, it identifies the brand. Okay, sponsoring firms and product ingredients and often provide instruction for use and promotional material. Okay, so it is labels on tangible products create product recognition and influence decision behavior at the point of purchases. That is what labeling does. So labeling has digital equivalents in the online world. Okay, for online services, terms of product usage, product features, and other information comprise online labeling at website. For example, when users download iTunes software, if anybody user of iPhone, they know this software. For organizing their iPod music, they can first read the label to discover how to install and use the software. Same thing happen if you are purchasing anything online. There are videos available online. You can just see those videos, how to install, how to assemble it. So you can, that is all comes in the part of labeling, which increase the customer value. Next comes the packaging. Okay, so we all know packaging, how important it is. It plays a very big role. Okay, so packaging always matters. If you check, just check with whatever you order online, the packaging will be very nice because that attracts the customer very nicely. That is the impression which it puts to the customer minds. Now moving further, product benefit attributes that we have continued, that have been already explained. Okay, so it includes quality and specific features. So the internet increases customer benefit in the way of revolutionary marketing. Media, music, software, and other digital products can be presented on the web. Nowadays, everything is available on the web. Mass customization is possible. Okay, user personalization of the shopping experience can be achieved. Next, branding is the part that I told you, the name, symbol, and all. Okay, which no, I just explained it, which will be the patented, it will be registered as a trademark, which is legally protected also. Brand equity, I just told you, it's all about intangible value of a brand measured in dollars. Okay, I had told you the biggest brand equity products also that have been given you examples regarding Microsoft, Coca-Cola, IBM, HP, and all. So these are the highest value global brands you can see with the 2011 data in terms of the dollar. There are companies who evaluate this, okay, on the basis of their brand value in the market. So these are those companies which are having a huge brand value in the international level. This is how I told you the brand intersect with popular culture and touches the consumer. Brand, consumer, popular culture. The sweet part is all about the brand intersect. Brand relationships and social media. The explosion of social media sites escalates the brand relationship process with the P2P communication about the brands. Okay, this is an example of Ernst and Young found that 63% of entertainment and media CEOs use social media to build brands, because that is the trend which is going on. Social media is the very cheapest method and wide communicating method, and where people are more busy in this. Forrester research identified three roles for social media in branding: build trust, differentiate the brand, nurture consumer to build brand loyalty. What are the five levels of brand relationships? If you think, yes, the first, awareness, comes the awareness, then identity, okay, then connection, community, and advocacy. So awareness is on the list of possibilities. Identity, display the brand proudly. Connection, communicate with company between purchases. Community, communicate with each other wherever all the consumer will be at one point of time. Advocacy, tell others about the brand. If you feel very happy with a particular brand, obviously you will do advocacy. This brand is good. I have been using this since so many times. They provide all the services and they are trustworthy. That is all I'll talk about the advocacy. What are important branding decisions for web-based products? So firms can use existing brand names or create new brands on the internet. That can be done. Okay, some firms may use different names offline and online to avoid risk with the new product or channel should fail. Same thing I told you. Agio is an online. Reliance Trend is the offline. This what they do. Okay, Agio, it's nothing but the Reliance Trend itself. But in online they use as Agio. But as offline they use Reliance Trends. Sport Illustrated created Thriveland. This is an example. You can visit it. Wired originally changed its online version name to Hotwire. Repositioning, we can say, online and offline. Creating new brands for internet marketing. Good brand name should be suggest something about the product. Differentiate the product from competitors. Be suitable for legal production. Okay. On the internet, a good brand name should be short, memorable, easy to spell and translate well into other languages. So this is when you are choosing the brand name. So co-branding also can be done. So co-branding occurs when two companies form an alliance and put their brand names on a products. Sports Illustrated co-brands with CNN as a CNN SI. Okay, Yahoo has joined with TV Guide and this to provide TV listings. Earthlink joined with the Sprint in 1998 to provide ISP services. This all comes under the co-branding processes. Internet domain names, we all use URL, we call it. Okay, Uniform Resource Locator. Please remember this, don't forget it. Okay, so also called IP addresses and domain name, we told. So what HTTP, Hypertext Protocol, okay, which indicates that browsers should accept data using the HTTP. The top level may be .com or a country name such as .mx, that is for Mexico, IN for India, UK for United Kingdom. Okay, after whatever come .in, it's an India. .com is commercial. I have already told you. INC is incorporation. Okay, so www is no longer necessary, and most sites register their name with and without it. Nowadays, www is not much required. Largest top level domain names. These are all .net, networks, .com, commercial. JP is for Japan, IT for Italy, DA for Germany, BR for Brazil, CN for China, and for India. So number of hosts they are having, you can just see in network 332 millions, 201 millions in .com, 63 Japanese is having, 25 Italy is having, 20 Germany, Brazil 24, China 20. So these are all domain names. So support services that we were looking for. Customer support is critical component in the value proposition. I told you, customer service represent help customers with installation, maintenance, product guarantees, service warranty, etc. to increase customer satisfaction. Okay, you can go, you can check. There are how to use it, how to install it, how to apply it. Every video is available. Excuse me. So Comp USA combines online and offline channels to increase customer support also. So they are providing both the things. Product benefits labeling that we have already discussed regarding how labeling helps us. Okay, provide information about product usage and features. Okay, that comes in the label form. To provide extensive legal information about the software product, 1 year warranty, 2 year, and all that all fall under the label. So what are important product mix strategy can be used? Okay, so product mix strategy. So firms will select one or more of the following strategies based on the marketing objectives, risk tolerance, resource availability. So here discontinuous innovations are new to the word products. New product lines are new products in a different category for an existing brand name. You can give up new thing, new names so that people will be attracted. Additions to existing product lines that can also be done. So product mix strategies, improvement or revisions of existing products, repositioned products can be targeted to different markets or promoted for a new use. Because now everyone is going international, you can use the same or you can come up with a new product also. So me too lower cost products. Okay. So this is regarding today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask.